Welcome, today I am with Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm going to show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. So the sensor is built into the display, it's right here, and let's make a few tries. As you can see, it works. I think it's fast, but to be honest, this animation to turn off the screen make it, slower or something like that. If this if this icon of the sensor shows a little bit faster, it will be a much better, example how it works. But the sensor is not bad. I use faster sensors, for example in Huawei P40 Lite, very cheap smartphone, but got a very nice sensor built into the power key on the right edge. This one is not that bad, but to be honest, in this price range, in this smartphone, it's supposed to be better, definitely. But the good point that it recognizes our fingerprint every time, so we can say that it's reliable. So that's all, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.